0708-2024 CA1 to TT Dispatch 2030 status update. All right, so these are job opportunities for all the people in the coastal zones, which is like 100 miles away from the beach. So let's say this is the beach, and 100 miles, let's say this is New Jersey shore. 100 miles this way would be like right here, and that's like, I don't know, Philadelphia or something. So it takes about an hour to get to the Jersey shore driving, right? So we trace the entire coast of America, and basically we create like a mini America. So now, every city, we are going to create a job for a Secretary of Mass Migration Logistics, okay? So under the state, you got the National Guard State Captain for the commercial sector and the National Guard State Captain for the residential sector, right? So these are information networks. So we just put out forms, collect the data, and give reports, right? So my state of New Jersey, right? Let's say we got, I don't know, 100 cities. So that means there's 100 mayors, right? So now I need 100 secretaries of mass migration logistics for the commercial sector, right? And then I would need 100 for the residential sector. So I am a National Guard state captain, and I work at the capital of the state. So I get a building, right? And in my building, I have the exact amount of secretaries in my building. So this means I created more new jobs, right? So basically, me as a state captain, I walk into my office and I could pull up data on any city, and they just relay their data to their designated customer service representative. Administrative customer service rep. There you go. That's what we're going to call it. So now we got a system going, right? So we can't move anybody until, until we get secretaries of mass migration logistics connected with the waste management companies. So these waste management companies and the secretaries, they're going to start skipping across into this 100 miles, right? So we got Philadelphia, but let's say the boundary of Philadelphia ends here. We got to like try to like put the city or one of the cities into this 100 miles away, right? So we're gonna do like the SWAT teams. So let's say we gotta move back, and I'm the lead shooter. So I got somebody behind me. They start focusing on that, and then I move around to the back of the line, and now I'm in the back of the line. So then the lead shooter, he's gonna swing around and come back. So basically, we're keeping a perimeter, but in this circumstance, we have to do it like this. The coastal city, boom, the next line, boom, the next line, boom, or a block, city block, boom, boom, boom. And we're trying to keep the blocks in the exact numerical and also like street order. So we're gonna like basically just move them over, right? So these secretaries of mass migration logistics, they're gonna link up with a waste management and also the FEMA agency, and we're gonna start assigning waste management sites, right? So after we do that, and we're gonna use Google, and in Google, you don't need the address. All you need is the longevity, the latitude and the longevity or whatever. And when you plug that in, it'll give you a point or a dot. So if we use that, it's just gonna show empty land. And we're gonna plug that in as the new FEMA address. So let's say this is 100 West, I don't know, Atlantic City Drive. 100 West Atlantic City Drive would be right here. But then the address is this new thing. So you would have to like put the address into the Google Maps as this number, and we gotta like make new forms for it. So we're all set with that. So we're gonna use Lights and Sirens Logistics to get these secretaries like to where they gotta go. So these are the field agents, right? And then they're reporting to my administration at the state capitol. So I'm gonna have the same amount of field agents collecting data. So it's like a teamwork thing. On an ambulance, you got a driver and you got a technician, but it works better when both people on the ambulance are technicians. So the job is so much easier. So basically, we got a technician in the field and then we got a technician in the office. So they're gonna have their own computer set up and they're responsible for that city in this, I guess, state capitol, state captain's office, right? So basically that's operation that needs to be the first operation that I need to like put into motion, because you need to like have waste management in order to move people into like new territory. So yeah, once we get the waste management set up, if I could do that this month or next month, or start it if I was working with Biden, that would be like amazing. So that's all I got for this update. Over, out.